When we're boondocking, even a guy in a wheelchair needs a shower. Stick around, see how we do it. We'll be right back.
Bring on the fire, bring on the rain. Nothing can take you down. Crashing like thunder, steel in your veins. Nothing can take you down.
I'm Derek.
I'm Tanya.
We're Van Life Voyages.
In this episode, we are going to show you our outdoor shower setup, even for Derek, who is in a wheelchair. It consists of taking a shower between our rear doors. Okay, so we have this step stool with us all the time. I use it to get in and out of the van. So I'm going to use it to hang up the shower curtain. I have to, because I have to move the camera. I had to do that because you wouldn't see it really. Our plastic shower curtain, and I'm going to hang it on the hooks that I already have on my doors. They usually hold our duffel bags, so I'm just moving them to the edge. They're actually barbecue hooks, so there'll be a link for them down in the description. And then I have to do the other side. So while I'm here, I can just hang up this. Has my duffel bag on it, but it'll be cut. It won't get wet. Okay, after we got them hooked to the hooks up there, there's a little bit of wind, so we're going to use some magnets. They're clamps like this. They'll be in the description box. They're magnetized. I'm putting the magnet onto the metal door. And this one, put it down lower, is like your doorway. Get in, and you're in the shower. You've got lots of room.
Hey lady, what are you doing in there?
You don't want to know, okay?
Uh-oh. So sometimes when you're boondocking, even a guy in a wheelchair needs a shower. Let me show you what we're using. This is the Go Spout by Waterport. 2 gallons, black, food grade plastic. It's a handy little thing. We've used a couple different styles that really just didn't pan out. This one is a go-getter. Notice black. You can leave it out in the sunlight and it'll heat your water up in just a few hours. Quick connect with a brass valve off and on, so I can water on, water off, right? You don't want your water, if you don't want your water sitting in there, it's quick and easy to drain. I got the quick connect connectors. Pull back, boom. She's done, she's ready to go. Handy dandy little sprayer. I got multiple settings. My favorite is just a mist. So we're gonna get on it, and it has a preset. It's a lot like a garden nozzle. That's what it is, and it works fantastic. So I got 2 gallons of water. Been sitting in the sun. It's nice and heated up. Then I got just a little pressurizer valve. Little pump goes out, in, out, in. Build up a nice little bit of pressure. Put it on mist, and it's wonderful. Guy could sit right here, wash his hair, wet down, wash his hair, rinse off, and do it from top to bottom. It is a handy, economical, and water efficient way to take a shower, even if you're in a wheelchair, when we're out boondocking. So the multiple settings are very nice. You got stream, you got flat, shower, jet. They come in handy. So most of you know that I have a service dog Gunner, and he runs around in the dirt a lot. Before we let him get in the van, after we've been in the mud or anything, this comes in very handy to spray off his little paws. Even the bottom of my wheelchair picks up mud and dirt, and it comes in real handy to spray off equipment, pets, and even if your wife, when she gets a little bit mad at you. So this is not, and everybody should know, this is not a sponsorship. We're not getting paid. We went out and paid cash for this and use it. So it's a good product.
Wash the feet.
I saw you singing in a photograph, but I never learned your name. Then it wasn't long I fell in love and hoped you'd feel the same. So you told me, come on over, we'll sing a sweet refrain.